In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honourable listeners and respectable audience, you know that in previous lectures we talked about in detail the five properties of human language, and then we compared the mentioned properties with the language of animals. Today, in this lecture, I'm going to share with you two interesting experiments which took place in 1930 and 1940. And it is about animals, that either animals they are able to learn and understand the language of human beings or not. One experiment was conducted by two scientists in 1930, and they actually brought up one infant of a chimpanzee and one of their human baby, infant child. After passing some years, they reached a conclusion that chimpanzee understand more than 100 words, but not able to speak a single word. It means with their experiment, both scientists they conducted and reached a conclusion that more than 100 words the chimpanzee understands, but unfortunately the chimpanzee is not able to speak and to utter a single word. Later on, another experiment was conducted by another couple scientists, and after passing 6 years or 5 years, they also concluded that chimpanzee was only able to speak 3 or 4 words like mama, cup, papa. So these 3 or 4 words chimpanzee was able to speak. So from their experiments, they came to know that animals they are not able to know about the language of human being, to speak the language of human being. Yes, to some extent they understand the words, but in articulation or in speaking they were completely failed. Although in the next experiment the chimpanzee was able only to speak 2 or 3 words, but it was with too much practice. Now, in retrospect, or looking back to the previous experiments, we came to know that human beings they have the ability, they have the capacity to speak and to produce sounds in words. Animals they are not able to speak and produce sounds, especially words and vocabulary. They are not able to speak like human being because they do not have articulatory system. They do not have vocal cords which human being have. They also do not have strong muscular lips, muscular face, and even the proper system of teeth which can help them to speak new words. So this is the main reason that animals they are not able to speak language like human being. So in the next lecture we will also try to share more experiments about animals. Thank you.